Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I wanted to get this one out quickly this morning because I don't know that this will last. So if you're interested in getting that application in, make sure you put it in quickly. But First Citizens Bank is hiring someone to work remotely from home to do things like process documentation and data entry. We're going to dive all into it. I just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, you can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and of course if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them. Now, First Citizens Bank has 1,000 reviews from past and current employees, an overall satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote business support specialist. Now, one thing I want to quickly note about this position, this bank location that is hiring this remote position is based out of Raleigh, North Carolina, so they do prefer somebody located in the Eastern Standard Time zone. But if you're outside of the time zone, you might want to apply. Put in there, make sure that you note that you are willing to work those Eastern time zone hours. This is a bank, they're open Monday through Friday, normal business banking hours. But they're just looking for somebody to help in the execution of daily operating activities. This means managing account portfolios for specific lines of business by performing routine data entry, processing, and documentation. So you're going to process banking documentation, you're going to do data entry and document things for the business into the system. So you may have to do some customer service with this position because you're going to be doing operating tasks that occur during customer, vendor, or associate inquiries, just developing and maintaining those business relationships with customers, associates, and vendors. Now, the pay for this position is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but ranges anywhere from $17.88 an hour all the way up to $29.06 an hour. And the only requirements is that you have a high school diploma or GED and 2 years experience either in some kind of operations or support. That support can be customer service. So 2 years of customer service experience and a high school diploma. And again, they do prefer somebody located in the Eastern time zone. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do keep a running list of those and keep my eye out when searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.